day, that's you and me. All day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just...
Alright boys, so today I got an easy one for you guys. We're literally just doing a quick how-to video on how to cheer bits, alright? And I know a lot of you guys are trying to donate bits to your favorite streamers and trying to support them and do it. So this video is going to be very short. Just me summing up how to donate bits, how to get bits, how you can get bits for free, all this kind of stuff. Very useful information. So make sure you guys tune into my stream. I stream every single night, 5 p.m. twitch.tv/6stevie. We're vibing every night. If you guys want to come hang out with the community, don't let me know you're from YouTube. It'll make my day. Okay, so once you find your streamer that you want to cheer bits to, donate the bits to, you can do one of two things. All right, so down here on the bottom right, you're actually going to come to the little bit logo. Just going to press that. It tells you how many bits you have. Right here, I have 10 bits just laying around. And you can get bits. You can either buy them, just, you know, by clicking purchasing them. They are expensive depending on how much you buy. They upcharge them a lot. So every 100 bits is $1 for the streamer, but you are paying $1.40 for the 100 bits. If you press watch ad, it's going to pop up with this ad. You're going to verify and everything. Verify that or whatever. You're going to watch an ad, and then literally once you are done watching the ad, here it goes. Once you're done watching the ad, it's literally going to give you free bits to donate to whatever streamer you would like. So we'll wait for this ad to finish, and then I'll tell you guys what to do after that. Okay, the video just came to an end. As you can see, the timer just counted down to 0. So once you're done watching the ad, you're going to want to click on anywhere in the ad. Maybe in the white. That's probably the best option. And then in the bottom right, you see how it says you've earned 10 bits. So it tells you you've earned them. You just press I'm done. And then sometimes it'll give you the option to watch another ad. And then sometimes it doesn't. So it's just Twitch has a limit of how many ads you can watch in your area. If they're already used up, they're used up. I've noticed that I'm able to watch more ads in the morning time. That is when I'm allowed to watch multiple, maybe 10, 20 ads. I could probably get over 100 bits just in ads. So that's a really cool feature that they add to kind of give back to streamers. But so I'm gonna find this is a smaller streamer. I'm just gonna give him these 20 bits that I have really quick. I'm gonna toss them over to him. See, you know, I'm gonna show you guys how to cheer the bits. So really, all you have to do, like I said, so you have to see how many bits you have. So I have 20 bits. So what you're gonna type is just cheer, no space, and then 20. So you just type cheer and then whatever amount you want to cheer right there. It is literally as simple as that. Now, if you want to add an emote or something, so let's start over. If you want to add an emote, you can just do the narwhal, and then you got to click on this. Now it says narwhal 1, so you're gonna want to go to the 1, and then you can cheer whatever amount you want. So you can cheer 20, you can cheer 10. Doesn't matter, you know what I mean? But yeah, all the emotes, they kind of evolve with the more bits you get, or the more bits you donate, you know what I mean? But it's really cool what you can do with the bits, what Twitch has done. So yeah, I'm just gonna donate these. I mean, it's literally that easy. And you guys, I just explained how to get the free bits. That easy as well. These are literally free bits. I didn't even have to pay for them, but I'm giving this guy 20 cents that I didn't have to do anything for. So yeah, it's really cool that Twitch is allowing you to be able to support your streamers this easily. But here we go. We're just gonna cheer 20. Also, if you guys learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you just learned how to cheer bits, come test it out on my stream, okay? I'm gonna be live as soon as I post this video. So video is gonna go up. I'm gonna be live. Come check it out. I'd love to see you there. And stay slick, boys.